Hi there. Thanks for tuning in to our channel. Today, we're going to talk about a crucial element in transportation infrastructure: bridges. Bridges play a vital role in connecting two segments of road over undulations, rivers, nullahs, or even seas. However, they are susceptible to damage from a process called silting, where sediment accumulates around the base of the bridge supports. To combat this issue, engineers have developed various solutions known as bridge armoring or scour protection work. One of these solutions is Ajacks protection, which involves using concrete blocks connected by high tensile wire. These blocks are laid around the abutment and piers of the bridge, extending up to the scour depth of the water, which is calculated by the designer. The purpose of Ajacks is to dissipate water energy and slow down water flow. By doing so, they prevent the accumulation of sediments that could potentially damage the bridge's piles, piers, or abutments. This innovative system helps maintain the structural integrity of bridges and extends their lifespan. Now, let's talk about the materials used in the construction of Ajacks. They are made from Class B concrete with a ratio of 1:4, which means 1 part cement, 2 parts sand, and 4 parts aggregate. Additionally, the Ajacks have reinforced steel bars embedded within the concrete. The blocks that the Ajacks rest on are made of PCC, plain cement concrete, with the same ratio of 1:4. Installing Ajacks is a crucial part of bridge armoring or scour protection work, and it is typically done after the main structure of the bridge has been completed. These unseen protectors beneath the bridge surface safeguard it from the forces of nature, particularly the potentially damaging effects of silting. The use of Ajacks offers significant benefits to bridge maintenance. By preventing silting, engineers can significantly reduce the maintenance requirements of bridges and ultimately save on repair costs. The effectiveness of Ajacks in preventing silting has been proven through extensive testing and data gathering from bridges where they have been installed. Due to their effectiveness and cost-saving potential, the use of Ajacks is becoming increasingly popular in bridge construction and maintenance projects worldwide. Engineers and bridge authorities are recognizing the value of Ajacks in ensuring the longevity and safety of bridges. In Pakistan, Ajacks have been installed on bridges along the Swat motorway located in Khyber Pakhtunkhwa. These bridges are equipped with Ajacks protection, which you can see in the picture displayed here. As we conclude this video, we'd like to thank you for watching. We hope you found this information informative and interesting. Remember to subscribe to our channel, like this video, and share it with others who might find it helpful. Don't forget to enable the bell notification for future updates. Keep visiting our channel for more engaging and educational videos. See you next time.